Hello everyone, this is a short video tutorial of the best trading robot. It is so good that the average performance of the trading week is over 600 plus points, and for this amount of pluses there are only 25 returns and a ridiculous amount 33 minuses, and the average income of each trader who joined the robot for this week amounted to over $4,000 in just 1 week. And let's move on the signals themselves. How it works. At the beginning there is a signal announcement and the currency pair, in our case USD franc. Below there is an instruction that must be read before starting trading. And let's move on and see what is in this manual. As you can see, there is a strategy for using a robot. The instruction details the risks and money management. The very important part is the time zone in which the robot operates. Also, the important part is how we work with slaps and all other possible types of transactions. Be sure to read it completely before start trading. We turn to our robot and again. After the release of instructions, we always have time to prepare the required currency pair on brokers. And then the signal itself, the direction of the price movement, the current prices are already coming out, and the time at which we open the trade. Even lower is the technical analysis and all possible levels of the knees. By simply following this elementary instruction, you will be earning about 100% profit per week. For more details how we work with ceilings, see the full instructions. And we are waiting for the completion of this transaction in order to start trading in practice. And so the result comes to us. As we see, it's a net plus. It is worth nothing that we can always compare the closing rates, the result and the initial opening rate. The accuracy of the bot is over 95%. And let's wait for the next signal. And since more than 100 signals come out every day from the robot, here is our next signal. They come out very often and you can earn anytime. After the signal is released, we prepare the desired currency pair on the broker. For video instructions, I will open a pair of USD franc on 3 platforms. In general, the robot works for any binary broker, just that these 3 platforms are available on free use, and you choose the one that is more convenient for you. After we have prepared the pair we need, we return to the robot and see. The robot indicated the currency pair, the direction of price movement, current quote, and the time until which minute we open a deal. We return on the platform and open all our trades by the 21st minute on the 3 platforms for experiment. As I said earlier, you choose the most convenient platform for yourself. One will be enough. So, after we have successfully opened trades on 3 platforms, we return to our bot and we see actual technical analysis with the levels. We see that the signal has an upside potential. Our lows are rising and the robot set a bullish target. I marked the zone where the price should aim. But also, the robot have a note that if we roll back a little bit down to the MACD area, we can overlap 2.5 times the original price in order to get double the profit. And returning on our platforms, we see that now is a very relevant time to overlapping 2.5 times. And since we opened $100 the first trade, that all our subsequent overlaps will be $250. Now we are overlapping from the support line that the robot indicated us, just as we noted on the screenshot. And let's wait for the completion of the deal. So we can see that our deals are coming to a logical conclusion. On all 3 platforms we get great double benefits. Even if we didn't put overlaps, we should still get a plus, but the robot always marks those zones where we can snatch a double piece of profit. And returning to the robot in Telegram, we see that the robot also reports that it has a plus. You can compare the opening quotes with the broker on the robot and the closing quotes. and always be sure that the robot only gives positive trades. And a new announcement is already coming out right before our eyes. That is, there is really a lot of signal. And if we look at the result of the whole day, the number of positive signals, there are simply endless numbers, 100 plus signals every day. And if we look at the statistics in general for the whole day, then we will see that the average indicators are about the 100 plus signals per day. About 3 or 4 counts on their phones, but the number of positive ones always prevails, about 95% positive. It was a short video tutorial on how to trade with a scalper bot. You can read the full instructions after connecting. Profit to everyone!